Hi guys and welcome back to my channel Delisamae. For today's video, we are trying a new brand here on the channel. Today we are diving into 6 stunning cat eye polishes from MelodySusie. Now, I'm sure you guys have seen their products, their videos all online, but today is my first time trying this brand. Now, this is not a sponsored video, but MelodySusie, if you hear me calling, go ahead and send me an email. I would love to be a part of your team. I am so excited for this video, you guys. It has been a while, and now I know I've been giving you guys updates on my health, but stay tuned for a specific video about me diving deeper and living life with a VN. But before we dive into this video, if it is your first time here on the channel, my name is Delisamae and I am a licensed nail technician. Here on the channel, we talk about nail art, we talk about nail designs, we talk about nail tutorials. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. There is a new hype button down there. So if you guys don't mind hyping up this video so my little bitty channel can get more outreach, because here on YouTube, we want to grow the community. So I'm so excited to dive in. Without further ado, all right, let's dive into the MelodySusie Pink Gem Cat Eye. I am extremely excited for all of these absolutely stunning, beautiful pink polishes. I have so many clients that love a nice pink gel polish. And then when you match it up with some cat eye, we are in business. So we have our top coat from Born Pretty, our nail swatches, as well as our Savilan UV light. This has been my favorite cat eye magnet, so I'm so excited to show you guys how to accomplish a stunning, beautiful look with all of these different polishes. Rolling right into our very first color, we have G1606. Now, as I'm applying the beautiful polish onto this swatch, you know what it's giving? It's almost giving like a ballerina pink. So if you are looking for a light, pale, stunning pink, I would have to say that this color would be perfect. Now we are using our UV light and flash curing this for about 10 seconds. Of course, we are going to be generous when we go with the next coat of polish. And then we are going to actually be diving into some cat eye techniques. Now, this is the very first time that I'm using this brand on this channel, and I'm really excited. The cat eye magnet is perfect for a nail tech or someone who's at home doing their own nails, looking for a strong magnet to accomplish how beautiful that cat eye looks. Like, we are giving so bright, shining like a diamond. You guys, it's absolutely beautiful. We have G1607, and this is almost like a slight darker tone of that very first color. And I really want to make sure that everything is nice and even. You guys know, if you've been here on the channel before, you want to make sure that you start all the way at the top and then filling any nooks and crannies as you are going along. Now, this color is absolutely beautiful. It's almost giving like the same color as my table towel that I have laid down on the towel, which is hilarious. And you guys, I want to hear from you down in the comments. When you get your nails done, do you normally do pink? I know when I first saw Miss Joan, she's one of my very long time clients. When I very first had Miss Joan sit in my chair, she would do nothing but pink. So I know, Miss Joan, as you're watching this video, you let me know which color you want to use for your next nail set. This one on top of the bottle, this is G1608. And this one, when you're looking at like the number at the top, it's almost giving kind of like a hot pink, but it ain't, because all of these polishes are very much velvet, I would like to describe. And I feel like when it comes to velvet polishes, The cat eye moves so majestically, and you guys can already tell from just the first 2 swatches how prominent that cat eye is. And I believe on my next nail set, I actually have the very first color because I absolutely fell in love with it. And I'm not normally like a pinky kind of girl when it comes to my nail sets. I'm very much abstract, as you guys can see on my current nail set. So I thought that I would dull it down a little bit. I think I show you guys at the very end of the video of my current nail set because with everything that I've been dealing with when it comes to work and my health, sometimes I have to come on here and squeeze in a nail tutorial. Normally, what I'll do is I'll record the nail tutorial looking like bummy, which is hilarious. And then when I have a little bit more time on my day off, I will come on and I will record the intro and outro. That's just a little bit of behind the scenes. Really, like, I have a lot of friends that ask me, like, "I don't even know how you do it." Sunday night, I had nails for my baddies, Logan and Elizabeth, which you guys can absolutely catch their shorts on YouTube. But it has just been constantly thinking about work, constantly thinking about my hip, trying to figure out a way to create content for you guys. Like, I guess every 2 weeks is probably my sweet spot because there's only so many hours in a day, and I can only wake up so early to get ready, to work my 9-hour day. Like, it's just a lot, but I love my passions. I love my passion projects. I love all of you guys. So the fact that you guys are still tuning in, I just truly appreciate because your girl is strapped for time. And as you guys are following me along with my YouTube journey, I really hope it doesn't sound like I am coming online and I'm complaining. It's just that I feel that when I am recording YouTube videos, this is the place where I can be vulnerable, right? Like, I write music, I write a lot of songs, I get a lot of my emotions out that way. But when I am sitting in my room and I am just thinking about all the things that's going on a day-to-day basis, I really just want to hone in and just be honest, right? Like, I am a human, and, I think something that I have to work towards is, feeling like I need to accomplish everything that I put my mind to. Like, this past year alone, just so far this year alone, everything that I've been going through when it comes to work, and it's all positive, really amazing things at work, right? Like me allowing to show new skills, right? Be able to lead a team. Like, I've really been in a place this year where I'm challenging myself, right? Like, I really want to show up for my nail clients. I am trying to be my best self when it comes to work and being a good wife and just trying to balance all of those things. And, with all of the health issues that I'm dealing with, and I am going to be posting a video. It's being diagnosed with AVN, lupus, and arthritis. Because on top of all of those other things, like, yes, like, I have a ton of stuff that I'm dealing with when it comes to my autoimmune disease. But like me myself, I am always just trying to stay happy. I'm trying to stay positive. If there's a goal in mind, I'm going to try to do everything that I can do to try to achieve that goal. And even sometimes when my health, is a little bit at jeopardy, it's almost like, okay, like, let's slow down, let's revise, and let's rework what the next couple of months are going to look like for me. So I almost think of my YouTube channel almost as like a live diary, which is just too much. It's too much. So we're just out here taking it one day at a time. That's literally all that I can do. My husband has been more than a solid rock when it comes to, making sure that I'm okay, making sure that I'm eating food, like proper food to like nourish my body, to give me the energy to get through work. He's making sure that like I get home and I'm just relaxing. Like we haven't made it out to the beach. It's been a couple of rainy days lately, but I know that once I get a good beach day in, I will be able to sit and relax and breathe. I just feel like right now I'm at a place where everything is at a standstill, but then we're also waiting to hear back some specific news when it comes to work. So I am just at a place where I told my husband I just want to acknowledge everything that we've done this past year, right? I want to acknowledge all the things, and facing my fears and challenging myself in different ways that was like really scary, right? Like you get so comfortable in one thing, and then you have people in your life like your soulmates that see nothing but the best in you and want nothing but the best. So, to have people in my life that genuinely care, that love me, that want to ensure that I achieve all of my dreams, and just to have genuine people in my life that like care, right? I've got Cedric, I got Danny, Mr. Anderson, Miss Elizabeth, Logan, Rachel, Tiana. Like, there's just so many people that genuinely care, and sometimes I let that go on the wayside. So I just want to take a moment to say thank you. I love you all. I feel like I'm missing people. Please forgive me if I missed your name. I've got Isaiah, right? I've got um like who else? Like so many people in my life, and I just appreciate you guys all so much. My soul miss Mr. Theo, Ippy, like every single one of you have shown up for me in so many different ways. And I cannot thank you enough. And I appreciate the encouragement, the dedication, you guys. We have just really done a lot this year. And I just want to say thank you. And with that, we are at the end of this beautiful tutorial. You guys, I was really ranting this video, but let me know down in the comments what your favorite color is. I cannot wait to react. I would have to say, Melody Susie, you know exactly what you're doing. I am so in love with all of the polishes. I love the different types of nudes, the pinks, the cat eye is absolutely cat eyeing. Now, if you guys notice my nails, they are different than what they were in the tutorial because I changed my nails, I would say every 3 weeks. But Melody Susie, I am so impressed. I am so excited that we finally got to try you here on the channel. Now, again, if you want to send me an email, I will be waiting very patiently. So, so, so grateful for every single one of you guys that take a moment to hang out with me, to watch my videos. I mean, when you're watching the videos, I notice you guys are watching a lot of it on TVs, on your phones. Please take me wherever you go, whether you are eating a snack, cleaning the house, doing your laundry. I'm just so grateful that you guys have me a part of your lives. Now, without further ado, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. So many new videos coming up here on the channel. I appreciate your patience and your due diligence, leaving your comments, all the things, you guys. I just get so excited and so happy. So thank you so much. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, hype up the video. I'll toss up my link tree right over here so you guys can follow me on my other social medias. I will see you guys for another video soon. Bye.
Subscribe.